Hi there, friends. If you're here, you're a friend. And if this is your first time here, welcome. This will be your first welcome. And I hope you do return. I hope you find something of value here for you. And if you're returning, thank you so much. And especially me and the many machines here appreciate the support from all of you good people. So my point is that I would like to get this bobbin winder device back in operating, installed on the sewing machine and ready to go. And as mentioned last time, I came up short. So I've got some comparables, courtesy of Parmeet, the tan sewing machine right there in front of us. And they're in the crud cutter. So I'm quickly going to clean these parts. But before I start on them, I want to clean these two hand wheels. And I'll just turn the camera because it's easier to turn the camera than to move those things. So, where's my cloth? Indeedy-do. So I hope you're all well and happy, and that your sewing machines and your sewing projects and craft projects are all. So this is soap and water just to dampen them, get them wet, get any initial dust and dirt off before I start to give them a good cleaning. I'm getting used to the idea of looking through the view screen on the camera, and had this camera for about 3 weeks now, I think. And really pleased. So there, we've got some soap and water on there. I'll do the outside on this tan one first. So the tan machine is Parmeet and the black machine is Denny from near Rice Lake. So this one's a little grimier. And of the two, Parmeet had a good life. They lived in a nice house. I think it worked a lot, worked hard. So I'm going to get some straight soap now on here with a brush. And you can see the kind of difference already between the two. How the tan one is grimier and maybe the black just hides it better. But anyway, we'll get some on. This is straight dishwashing liquid. So I do my, same stuff I do my dishes in. Best to be generous with this stuff. And there's black marks there. I think it was from a spinning. I think maybe the machine was seized and they were trying to turn the hand wheel and the rubber belt made that stain. So and since I'm doing it to one, I might as well do it to the other. I can feel as I'm, using this brush, I can feel the chips and the dings in this, and the finish. Okay, so those are there. Now I want to get on this one, big time, and I will take crud cutter to this, but for now I'll just do an initial little clean just to get the dust off, or whatever will come off. There, so I'm going to let those pieces sit, and now we're going to get this crud cutter stuff attended to. Are you with me? Yeah, good, you can see me. So the first one I'm going to do is this one. And I'm going to do it by itself. I'm going to do that. So I'll put that over there for now again. Then I'll get some dishwashing liquid. Especially get some dishwashing liquid in the oil port there for the bearing. That's still grimy there. Might have to sand it down with something a little rougher than just sitting in 100% crud cutter. So there, we'll rinse that in the warm soap and water. And now just in the clear water by itself. And then we'll get the hair dryer, set it on high heat, and I'm going to put it on high blow as well. I'll either cut this part out, edit this part out, or remove the audio. But here we go. Watch it. Good. So I gave it about 2 minutes there, I think. And it's nice and warm. We're always supposed to shake the oil before we use it. I gotta move my chair over. Don't mind me getting a little closer, gals and guys. I work here. So we'll get some in there. I'm pretty much going to coat this in oil. You know, there's these little, where those little springs go, the little turned nubs, they go in there. That's for a screw. Here's the gear, the bearing, the wheel. So that's, we've done the five-step process right there. So now we'll get something else. We'll move the oil out of the way for now. And we'll move the strainer out of the way. So we'll go in and we'll get, you know what, we'll just get the whole bunch now. I mean, let's go at this. What time we got? Oh good, I still got like 4 minutes or something, 3.5 minutes. Oh wow, I'm making a bit of a mess here today. Have a bath, you dudes. Okay. There, so we got them out of the crud cutter. Now they're going in the soap and water. That one's done. These aren't. Those probably are, but they're getting done again. And then they're going in the soap and water. Good. Now I'm going to get back to these hand wheels and give them a bit of a rinse. This is just plain water, just clear water, straight water. So there's that one. There's this one that's going to be washed again. But for now, whoopsie daisy. And then we have this piece. We washed this piece as well, so we'll mop the water off of it.